My name is Brandon Olhoft with Superior Industries, and I'm a welding manager. I think one of the biggest misconceptions with manufacturing is that some people think of it as more like a last resort type job. I think manufacturing in the United States is more of a first in the line job. I think more kids in America should be transitioning to trade schools or coming to work in manufacturing right out of high school. If I had to give one little tidbit of advice to lawmakers, policymakers, is that don't sell manufacturing short. You know, there's millions of opportunities out there in the United States, not just at Superior and not at Westmore, but for energy, solar energy, wind energy. You can see the wind turbines north on Highway 59 that it takes manufacturing to do that. It's super, super important for what we do every day in America, and I would never want somebody to sell us short on that. Contrary to popular belief, there's two buildings here, and when I started 20 years ago, it was just our components division and our equipment division. Back then there was 300 or 400 employees, and now with having almost 1,800 employees amongst all 22 locations, Superior has never lost that small town feel. Between doing ribs and rides every August at the Stevens County Fair, that is free to all of our employees. Upper management does come in and cooks up about 2,200 pounds of ribs, which I'm not gonna lie, are pretty good. We've never lost that small town, family orientated feel, and I think that's one thing that really sets Superior apart from everybody else. I do remember my first day. I've actually worked here, started March 1st of 2004, so I just celebrated my 20th year. And my first day at Superior, I got handed my own welding helmet from the company, and they said, you know how to weld, so let's start welding up this drum pulley, and that's exactly what I did. Funny thing is when I first got hired, I thought that it maybe been like a 2 or 3 year job, but my first day I fell in love with the culture of the business, and that was 20 and a half years ago, so kind of a special place.